Hello, Siwmae. 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 Siwmae. Yes, it's that word you hear me say every single Wednesday. Well, now it's your turn for Siwmae Day. Today is a chance for anyone who's anyone to speak Welsh and to start a conversation simply saying Siwmae. Siwmae is a Welsh greeting to start any conversation. It means how are you, or how's it going, or hey. But don't take it from me. Here's the Itec Staff and Learners to show you how.
Siwmae!
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 Siwmae from the Colba.
Siwmae pawb!
Siwmae!
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 Siwmae, Siwmae!
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 Siwmae, Siwmae.
Siwmae!
Siwmae.
Siwmae from Corfu!
Siwmae!
Siwmae!
Siwmae.
Felly, Siwmae Day hapus iawn I chi gyd. A very happy Siwmae Day to you. What are you going to do to celebrate?